If you're wanting to sign up with Siteground Web Hosting and want a Siteground discount, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Siteground coupon code that will get you a Siteground hosting discount. You'll get a Siteground discount of 73% off on the Siteground shared hosting plans, Siteground Managed WordPress hosting plans, and Siteground Woocommerce hosting plan. To get your Siteground coupon code discount of 73% off, click the link below in the description and the discount is automatically applied. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Siteground at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Siteground discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Siteground Web Hosting Plans page. Click the View Plans button or scroll down to the next section and you'll see 3 different Siteground plans: the Startup, GrowBig, and GoGeek plan. You'll see you'll save 73% off each of these plans. The Startup plan you can get for $3.99 a month, the GrowBig for $6.69 a month, and the GoGeek plan for $10.69 a month. To get the 73% off Siteground discount price, you'll want to choose the 12-month term at checkout under the Purchase Information section. You get the best deal of 73% off by going with the 12-month term. Next, let's go over the Siteground Managed WordPress hosting plans. You'll see the Startup, GrowBig, and GoGeek plan. You'll get 73% off each of these plans, and you'll see the pricing is the same as the shared hosting plans. You can get the Startup plan for $3.99 a month, the GrowBig plan for $6.69 a month, and the GoGeek plan for $10.69 a month. You get the best deal with the 12-month term. Next, let's go over the Siteground Woocommerce hosting plans. You'll get 73% off each of these plans, just like the shared hosting and managed WordPress hosting plans, along with the same price being offered. The Startup at $3.99 a month, the GrowBig at $6.69 a month, and the GoGeek plan at $10.69 a month. You get the best deal, just like the other 2 plans, with the 12-month term. Enjoy your Siteground coupon discount to get 73% off Siteground Web Hosting. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know if the tutorial was helpful or not, as the comments help improve our tutorials. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Siteground hosting tutorial videos.